Hello friends, welcome to Shine Nair Show. Good to see you friends again. Today we are making egg and peas fry. This easy dish is one of the delicious one. We look how to make it this one. We look the ingredients. Eggs first. I'm using 6 egg. I think is enough for today. I'm using also the green peas is 500 gram. I think this is one of the best breakfast. It's very nice, delicious food. We add little bit salt. Salt always your taste. Some people need more salt or some people need less salt. Depends upon you guys. And little bit black pepper for taste, and we beat. I think a little bit more salt. Mix very well. Egg yolk and white want to mix very well. Okay, we start to cook. First of all, we use the olive oil in a hot pan. 2 tablespoons. Onion. It's an easy method, little bit salt, easy to cook onion, very fast. And then we use tomato. Not really golden brown, just start to golden brown. Then we add the tomato. Diced tomato is better. It's a one medium size of tomato, and also I'm add the green chili. Green chili is one medium size of green chili. Then we add the capsicum, one medium size of capsicum, diced capsicum. Now we can add the green peas. I'm using the frozen green peas and then just defrost and then use straight away. It's a 500 gram green peas. Two minutes we cook just little bit. We add little bit chili powder. This chili powder is the Kashmiri chili powder, only for the color, no hot. Just we add small tablespoon of chili powder. The beaten eggs, just full flame. Stir very well. Black pepper. More salt. Okay, we'll look our dish. It's almost cooked. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Very nice flavor. And this time we add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Yes, our dish finished. To serve in a plate. Delicious food, very nice flavor. Here, and just few decorations. This is optional. Today we make green peas and egg fry. It's very nice, delicious. I think it's good. Anyway, I'll just try a little bit taste. Oh, nice, very nice. Fantastic. Friends, you try. It's good dish, very tasty one, it's easy one. Thank you. If you like my video, just like and share it, please.